I've seen that dude on TV. He got fat. But here's the real story. I ate the singer of Bowling for Soup. And tonight I will shit out his songs. Welcome to the show, ladies and gentlemen. It's our first ever show in South Africa. Let's fucking do this shit. Is it okay if I speak to you today? You've been pissed off for a week now, but nothing I could say could make you okay. Is there anything that I can do? Anything to show you love this? But I love you anyway. Oh, you can't see, but you still put me to sleep. Baby, you are this. Hey, 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 hey. You make me sick, but don't ever go away. So yeah, tell me that there's nothing left to say. I drive you face the window, then you're in my face telling me to grow up. I just grow up. Can't wait until I fall asleep. I want you to make you know that you are this, but I love you anyway. Oh, you can't sing, but you still put me to sleep. Baby, you are this. Hey, 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 hey. You make me sing, but don't ever go away. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the breakdown of the song. I almost forgot to say something else, and if I can't fit it in, I'll keep it all to myself. I almost wrote a song about you today, but I tore it all up and I threw it away. Okay, that's the end of that song. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
You're lovely and beautiful.
It's so great to be here. in South Africa. Thank you very much for being our first ever audience in South Africa. I'm gonna go out on a limb here. I usually don't like to go out on a limb because I'm a little heavy and it might break, but I'm gonna go out on this limb and just say this. This is the best audience in South Africa we've ever had ever. By the way, we are called Bowling for Soup. And we are the greatest band that has ever lived. Ever. We are also from the great state of Texas, ladies and gentlemen. This song is about the great state of Texas. And we're playing it right now because that dude made a sign. And that sign says, Ohio. By the way, that's the first sign we've seen since we got to South Africa. I'm hoping they get fucking better than that. But as far as like first ones going, you know, like losing your virginity, it'll fucking work. You know, most of the time. But also just like losing your virginity, your sign is bailing early.
But it still feels good, you know?
He's holding it up, and it looks like a pizza box that just has too much grease. Just every once in a while it says oi, and then it says ho. Oi ho, oi ho, oi ho, oi ho, oi ho. So somebody was telling me that you guys don't drink a lot of vodka in this country.
We'll take it.
You guys are calling bullshit. Y'all are calling. You guys do drink vodka over here? But yeah, everybody. What the fuck is wrong with you? You told us nobody drinks vodka over here. Now they want all the vodka. Jesus Christ.
You can't have it.
Well, cheers, everybody. This is some fucking vodka. No, if I chug this, I will shit my pants during the show.
I am drinking fine.
It'll be on all the news stations in the States. I can't have that.
I am drinking fine Jim Beam bourbon over here.
I am too famous to shit my pants on stage. Or am I? 3 songs in, we already got the fucking chant of Cape Town! By the way, there's a fucking vineyard, like right across the street. You know how much wine we got tonight? None. You're witnessing greatness, ladies and gentlemen! She said she needed a break. A little time to think. But then she went to Cleveland with some guy named Leland that she met at the bank. Come on! There's nothing wrong with Ohio. There's never snow with the rain. I really like to tell you, I see the rock and roll Hall of Fame. Doing whatever you got through, doing whatever you may take a shot, we will be right here. The world is just as obsessed, to choose the best test, to lose that obsessed. Stop the money, who gets the honors, who's got the truth, who's just the best. You don't have the right girl, you don't have the right friends. But the changes by the faces we made from that trend. High school never ends. The popular kids, you never guess what Jessica did. How did Mary Kate lose all that weight? And he had a baby for the desktop state. And the only thing that matters is climbing up that social ladder. Still care about your head and the color you tie. Doesn't matter if it's 60 or 35. Reese Witherspoon, she's the company. Little dancing down to the chest and drop right the clown. Gotta break the quarterback, I've seen it all before. Come on, my mind. Okay, here we go. This is the most out-of-tune guitar in the history of out-of-tune guitars. Here we go. There's 104 days of summer vacation. The school comes along just to end it. So to spend it. Like maybe you'll be around here to find your money. You're climbing up the Eiffel Tower. Discovering something that doesn't exist. In a monkey tower. Taking tidal waves, creating nanobots and locating Frankenstein's brain. Finding a total bird, getting a continent, driving a system inside. As you can see, there's a whole lot of stuff to do before school starts this fall. The super fast dog spinning is the verb are gonna do it all. Super fast dog spinning is the verb are gonna do it all. My wiener is lonely tonight. She cries when I turn off the light. She's only happy when I'm holding her tight. Oh my wiener is lonely tonight. Cries when I turn off the light. She's only happy when I'm holding her tight. Oh my God, my wonderful God. Ladies and gentlemen, this next song is about going to a rock and roll concert and having a shitload of fun. Just the names and faces like Tommy and Gina living on a prayer. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time ever attempted in South Africa, this is your musically enhanced Bowling for Soup photograph opportunity!
¿Cómo? Bueno, déjame nomás subir a la acera para echarle un ojo.
Okay, now remind everybody what your name is again.
Anya.
What did she say?
Anya.
Anya. All right. Did we get a little bit of the? Can we get a little bit of her in the wedge up here? Where did this guy go? He's only working halftime.
Everything.
She's not gonna be able to hear if he doesn't come back.
You can hear.
Yeah, everybody chant Anya. 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 Hey, here's the thing. Anya, I had a dream last night. I was Anya.
I said it.
Sing us a song? Oh, the audience is gonna sing us a song? Wait, what? Is it our song? All right, here we go. Okay, go. All right.
And again, I did not throw the ice because I'm not a fucking asshole.
And Andy Black would have threw the ice at you.
Listening to rock it's like a bad movie. She's looking through me. If you were me, then you would be screaming someone shoot me. As I fell miserably, trying to keep the girl out of bad times one. She's a girl off the bad times one. I'm watching wrestling, listening to rock metal. I can grow a mustache. That was awesome moped delaying by you guys. Unbelievable. It's like a bad movie. She's looking through me. You were me, the groupie. Screaming, someone shoot me. As a bad misery, Stacey's mom has got it going on. 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 Stacey, can I come over after school? We can hang out by the pool. Did your mom get back from a business trip? Business trip. Is she there? Or is she trying to give me a slip? Give me a slip. You know I'm a little boy back. Come on! I'm all grown up now. Baby, can't you see? Stacey's mom has got it going on. She's all I want, and I waited so long. Stacey, can't you see? It's not enough for me. I know it might be wrong, but I'm in love with Stacey's mom. Stacey's mom has got it going on. Stacey's mom has got it going on. Stacey, do you remember when I mowed your lawn? Mowed your lawn. Your mom came out with just a towel. A towel. I could tell she liked me by the way she stared. The way she stared. And not the way she said, Mr. Spotted, yeah. Spotted, yeah. And I know that you think it's just a fantasy. But since your dad walked out, your mom confusing out at me. Stacey's mom has got it going on. She's all I want, and I waited so long. Stacey, can't you see? You're just not the drug for me. I know it might be wrong, but I love it. She hates out, make it stop when you know the crew become massive. Lady Ozzy, become an actor. Please make this stop, stop, stop. Okay, who knows the words to this song?
4 people.
Okay, if you don't know the words to this song, on this next part, all you have to do is go like this. And then every once in a while, point to your friend, like this. All right, here we go. You ready? This is where you sing our song to us, and we just go and drink delicious beverages. And bring back Springsteen.
Madonna, waiting for Nirvana. There was YouTube and blogging and music still on MTV and 2 kids in high school. They tell her that she's uncool, cause she's still preoccupied with 1985.
And now you give yourselves a big round of applause because you guys are amazing. Thank you so very much for welcoming us into South Africa. This is going to be a fucking amazing trip. I have no idea how the rest of these days are going to top this. You guys are all wonderful, and we hope to see you guys soon, all right? And bring back